The wheels of the lower rack run along two tracks, located on each of the side walls of the dishwasher. If the lower rack is pulled out or pushed in from the side, the rack may come off the track. Assure smooth operation by pulling or pushing the lower rack from the center. If the lower rack still falls off the track and all wheels are attached, then the wheel axles could be bent. This video will highlight how to align the wheel axles. To correct this problem, begin by removing the lower rack. To adjust the wheel axles, bend the wheel axles outward so the wheels stay on the track when the rack is pulled out or pushed in. When the wheel axles are properly aligned, the rack should be able to wiggle from side to side without falling off the track.